Rusted metal components can be treated and cleaned with the wet blasting attachment. It's also possible to remove old coatings of paint. A special intake nozzle adds abrasive to the high-pressure water jet. It impacts the surface to be cleaned at high velocity and removes paint or rust in the process. For health reasons, quartz sand must not be used for these operations. Kärcher stocks a range of suitable abrasives. The surface must then be dried quickly and resealed. The small hard surface cleaner can also be used for cleaning vertical surfaces. As a rule, the dirty water that occurs during facade cleaning must not be allowed to flow into rainwater drains, but has to be treated separately in accordance with local regulations. With a continuous discharge vacuum cleaner, the dirty water can be collected directly at the hard surface cleaner and immediately pumped away for proper disposal. The advantage of this method is that water containing harmful substances cannot get into the public drains or the surrounding soil.